Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna talk about repeater. So what is it? Repeater lets a user send requests repeatedly with manual modification. It is used for verifying whether the user's supplied values are being verified. If the user's supplied values are being verified, how well it is being done, what values is the server expecting in an input parameter, request headers, how does the server handle unaccepted values, is input sanitation being applied by the server, how well the server sanitize the user supplied inputs, what is the sanitation style being used by the server, among all the cookie present which one is the actual session cookie, how is CSRF protection being implemented, and if there is a way to bypass it, and there's a lot to learn in repeater. So do some practical. Okay guys, so let me start Firefox now. Okay, so let the proxy goes to, I just start some random. Okay, I forward. Okay, so we got, I sent this to repeater. Okay, so I intercept the off. Okay, so as you can see, so let me, okay, so this is the request we got in repeater. Okay, so first of all, let me change this to node VPN. Okay, so we can choose any name here. One second, node VPN. Okay, so this is the first feature, and the second one is you can add a HTTP proxy or a HTTP traffic or a WebSocket traffic manually there. Okay, so second thing is you can check the raw input in the params. Okay, so you can check the cookies and other stuff. You can check in header, this was a header, then host, agent, accept. Okay, so these are the in hacks. Okay, so you can check in everything. Okay, so this is target, you can change it from here. So there's a thing named pretty. If the this stuff going out long, you can word wrap or prettify the stuff. Okay, so this is a setting, you can case sensitive, rejects and auto scroll when the text changes. Okay, so the main thing is you can send this request to the server by clicking on send button. Okay, so we send this request and we got a response 200. Okay, okay, so this was a simple website and we sent the request and we got 200. Okay, so as you can see, we can check the raw input, then header, and this is the output, then the hacks, and you can also render the stuff, like how this will look like in browser. Okay, so but you can click on this. This is just a rendered page of this request only. You can click anywhere. Okay, and the best thing is you can check this response in real time or like browser. Just click on this and show response in browser. Copy this link and open the Firefox. You should have the proxy on Burp Suite and click on this, and you, there you go. The request you see here, you can check it here. Okay, so there are load benefits with the repeater tab, like you can add something. I'm just adding some random stuff. It's not going to get anything here. Okay, but in the real practical session, we will do some attacks with this repeater tab. Okay, so as you can see, we added this, nothing gonna happen. Okay, so that's the thing. You can change many things. You can change cookies. You can see the response what happened when you change the cookies. Okay, so you, if you have some origin base here, okay, so you can add origin and check whether it's going a course vulnerability or not, or something like this. You can check everything here, okay, manually. So this is the best tool you can use in Burp Suite for the manual testing. I use this too much. Okay, you wanna use this every time, like you are sending every request, you are checking, you wanna check this request, send this to repeater, and you can send it here. Okay, so you can check the result here. You don't need to check the result anywhere else. You can just intercept the proxy, send something to repeater, and check out what is going on, and you can change the stuff. Okay, so if I change the, I delete the bad thing, and now I send this, so there may be an error. So yeah, there was error 301. And okay, so you can do anything here. These are some basic function of this. So also I send you something, like I copy this URL, and but I don't want to send this to proxy and then send this to repeater. Okay, so I, what I can do is, you can the, you can paste the URL as request. Okay, so as you can see, we got the URL as request, but you can see there are no cookies in it because we didn't check the cookies. But in proxy, the cookies that are generating system wide, that will be collected there. Okay, so this is just a normal URL that we passed like a request. Okay, so you can see we got a 200. You can check any link, like you wanna find some etc password file, and you copy that URL and paste as a request, and you can check the response here. Okay, so these are some basic function of repeater. There are a lot to learn in repeater. In the next videos, we will add some more we will add some more videos on repeater. Okay, so some attack vectors too. So thank you guys.